Introducing the very first smartphone from CMF by Nothing, designed to revolutionize your mobile experience with its carefully engineered and innovative design. Speaking of design, CMF Phone 1 features a unique, adaptable nature. You can bring your personal style and needs by simply swapping the case for a different color, material and finish, or by attaching purposeful accessories to assist you through your day. The texture of the cases are non-slip and resistant to fingerprints. The tactically visible screws are carefully machined from premium stainless steel. We've developed a companion that not only looks and feels great, but lasts a long time too. One of the standout features of our smartphone is its segment-leading performance thanks to its cutting-edge MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor that has been co-engineered with Nothing to deliver fast, reliable and efficient power. With a massive 5000 mAh battery, CMF Phone 1 lets you keep going for up to 2 days on a single charge. Hold on to that new phone feeling with Smart Clean technology. Game mode helps to prioritize your performance by reducing lag and improving picture quality. CMF Phone 1 has a powerful camera system that lets users capture real life as it's happening with a powerful Sony 50MP rear camera with a dedicated portrait sensor for a more accurate bokeh effect. The front of the phone is a wonderfully accurate 16MP selfie camera. All of this is delivered through a dazzling 6.67-inch Super AMOLED with an ultra-smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for seamless interactions. Navigating users from work to play and everything in between is Nothing OS 2.6. Prioritizing a fast and smooth user experience to effortlessly support your day-to-day interactions. CMF Phone 1 comes with 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security updates. More quality, more time. To ensure CMF Phone 1 keeps up with you, it undergoes a rigorous suite of testing. Built to last with 68 quality control protocols. This is the ultimate daily smartphone, capable of serving users' everyday style and needs. CMF Phone 1, wonderful by design. For more information, visit nothing.tech or contact our support team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and tutorials. Happy exploring!